Almost all my artistic life I dedicated to portrait painting and drawing. Maybe you know that already. More than 50 years doing this. So you think Ben knows everything. He doesn't make any mistakes anymore. Nothing less true. I had my share of despair, believe me. For instance, with this most recent portrait, after finishing, I saw there is something wrong with the mouth. And that's a well-known problem for portrait painters. I show you what I did, how to detect the problem and how to find a solution for that. I painted my friend Vicente from photography. Considering that I know him very well, I know whether the resemblance is right or not. Almost finished, I saw the mouth was not quite right. But the longer I looked, the less I could find the defect. And no matter how hard I looked, I couldn't find what exactly was wrong. I'm sure you recognize that after working on a painting for too long, your eyes glaze over. It was a good mouth, but it was not his mouth. Was the upper lip too high or the lower lip too narrow? Were the corners of the mouth in the right place, etc., etc. Experience has taught me this very important lesson that I share with you. Don't panic. Take a rest. I open the image in Photoshop. I create a second blank layer. On top of that, I draw the outlines of the most important details with a thin white line. Now I take the picture of the painting and I place it in between those two layers, so that the white lines are now visible over my painting. Now I can find easily my errors. I make 3 screenshots, one with the real mouth, one with the white lines on it, and one with the white lines on the painted mouth. I'm very careful to keep the brushstrokes in line with the rest of the painting. It's painstaking work, but it's worth it. For the exact explanation, I refer to a video I made earlier on this topic. So see the link in the description here below.